guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia for those who are new here. Welcome. And guys, guess what? I'm back in the city. It's been a while, guys, and I'm excited to show you what has been happening around. And I know that it's Christmas season. So let me take you around and see what has been happening here in Nairobi.
Nakwambia window shopping ni bure bure. Unafanya window shopping bure bure.
So this is how everything looks like. Yeah. The streets are not that busy.
Vlog.
Yeah, so guys, let's keep on walking around as I show you what has been happening here in Nairobi city. I know it's like I think 2 months I've not been here. Yeah, let's explore this city together. And guys, make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. My name is Claudia Works. Claudia Works from YouTube. Yeah, so guys, let's keep on walking and I'll show you around. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
You're good, and you?
I'm okay.
I'm
coming. Yeah, I'm coming.
We can just take each other.
Claudia Works on YouTube.
And we have always been together for a long time.
It's okay. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Claudia Works.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, guys. Yeah. This is the mood here. You can see most of the shops are closed. People have already traveled. Look at those shops, guys. Wow. Crazy, crazy, crazy here. Look at how the view looks like, guys. Beautiful street, but they are we have few people. Be careful, guys. guys, I should also be careful with the camera. We have some matatus here, guys. We have matatus here. Public means transport here in Kenya. Look. If you are in Kenya and you have been here, you have been into a matatu, let me know. If you have ever boarded a matatu here in Kenya, let me know, guys. Yeah. So everything looks like here in Nairobi, the capital city of Kenya, guys. Guys, the city is so clean. I don't know, Nairobi is one of the cleanest towns here in Africa. I don't know, but let me know if Nairobi is the cleanest. But I know it's more developed, more than the other countries. Oh, let me know. Very beautiful, very clean. Yeah, let me know in the comment section if Nairobi is the cleanest town in Africa. I'm just taking a walk in these streets.
Sasa mweki 50. Umeamua kuturekod live?
Yeah,
Sasa tulipasenda kufanya buju.
kuja fanya buju. Thank you. Crazy streets of Nairobi, guys. I'm just happy. People are so happy. They are enjoying, guys, and here we flow with the vibe.
Beba na 50 ya mbele, beba.
Here in Nairobi, we flow with the vibe. Hi. Guys. I think I see. Yes. Hi. Ukifanya nini? So guys, we are in the streets of Nairobi. One of the largest towns in Kenya. Oh. are going to use that route where most of the YouTubers do their, not YouTubers but TikTokers, they normally do their activities. I think I should go and show you. I'm waiting for those vehicles to pass. Yeah, and this is Nairobi, Kenya. Look at these beautiful buildings here. So crazy, guys. Yeah, there. Okay, guys, let me take you to where all the activities take place. All the activities of holidays, weekends. And here we go. Look at how beautiful streets are. This is Nairobi, Kenya, guys. Do you think this is Dubai? Do you think this is America? No, this is Kenya. You can see there are some TikTokers who are doing their work here. Photographers, they are taking photos. Whoa, others are there, guys. Hey, those guys are moving so fast. The vehicles are moving too fast, so I have to be careful, guys. Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm Claudia, works on YouTube.
I'm Daniel.
What do you normally do here on weekends?
I-
All holidays because
I
today.
do street shoot
Mm-hmm.
on weekends.
Mm-hmm.
Day I take studio,
Mm-hmm.
and even when you are free, I can take you even your phone picture.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, guys, we are in Kenyatta Avenue. Once you come here, make sure you meet this guy.
Yeah, he's a professional photographer.
Yes, he will give you discount in the name of Claudia Works, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So, guys, let me show you on the other side. Oh, I can see beautiful girls there. I know they are coming to take some photos. I just want to go and meet them. So guys, let me show you what is happening here. Yeah, this is how the place looks like. As a piggy. So guys, let me show you the view. Wow. Here is Nairobi. Now let's go. Look at those guys. They are taking photos. They are doing photography work.
Halo. Halo, kuja tupige picha.
They are calling their customers. Oh. Okay, bye. Yeah, guys, this is how the streets look like. They are so beautiful, guys, and everything is cool here. Yeah. People are just relaxing over there. Hi. Yeah. Guys, look at this. What do you call it? Statue? I don't know. Anyway, guys, I think I should end my video here. Yes, make sure you subscribe to Claudia Works. See you in the next video. Bye bye.